Guess what? Welcome back to Dagbani 101, and today we are going to learn about how to welcome someone in Dagbani. The most popular term we use to welcome someone in Dagbani is Amaraaba, but Amaraaba is not indigenously Dagbani. It was borrowed from the Hausa. In Dagbani, there are two terms that we use to represent welcome in Dagbani, and these terms are gɔrim, and paabu. These terms are used to welcome anyone into the home or a visitor visiting you. So these two terms are gɔrim and paabu. We have gɔrim and paabu, and the response are gomina, or kulmina. So when do you use gomina or kulmina? The usage depends on the intention of the visitor or the one you are greeting. So you use gomina when you have traveled for a long time and you are coming back home. So you are coming to stay for some short period. So you say gomina. But if you intend to stay for a very long period, you say kulmina. That is, you are coming to stay for a very long period. You say kulmina. Let's say your dad has traveled to Accra and he's coming home. So when you greet him gɔrim or paabu, he will respond to kulmina, meaning he has come home. But if it's a friend who is just visiting you, he's just visiting for a while, you will say, your friend will respond gomina, or maybe a long relative who just come to visit you for about 2 or 3 days. He or she can say gomina. But let's say your mom or anybody who is coming to stay for a very long period, maybe for a month or 2, or he just coming back home due to maybe he traveled for a business trip, or he has traveled to a funeral, then he's coming back from the funeral, you say kulmina. So you now know the difference between gomina and kulmina. Thank you very much. I hope you've learned something new. You can comment if you have any other forms of greetings we use for welcoming, or the response we use for welcoming. And you can like and share the video. Thank you very much.